brother. I'm a lesbian.
That has nothing to do with it. Good afternoon, Mr. Tremblay. My name is Grenelza Hornswag Middleton. I spoke with your people earlier. This is my daughter. Now, if you'll excuse me, I believe in these situations the parties involved usually like some privacy.
Julius Harold Ron Tom Ludwig Tremblay Jr. But most people call me Bingo.
Millicent Middleton. It would appear we are engaged to be married.
Believe you me, I'm about as chuffed with it as you are. This whole business is going to put a right dent in my rambunctious bachelor lifestyle.
From what I've heard, that won't be too great a loss.
Oh, the ring! I'm afraid I couldn't find a ring on such short notice. Would this suffice?
That won't be necessary.
The very nerve! They spelled my name wrong. So, I hear you're a lesbian. Very cool. Is that near Asphodel by chance? Ah, my mistake. You mean like Penelope St. Clair?
My goodness, could you imagine? No, I'm the regular kind.
I see.
Hey, what's new?
Not much. I stubbed my toe last week. Oh, and I'm engaged to be married as of 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, good for you. You still up for croquet this weekend?
Should be.
Can I come along?
I don't know, do you play croquet?
Voraciously.
I guess that's impossible. Our croquet club has a strict no croquet policy. Or whatever.
Nuts! Every time.
Does that mean you're free this weekend?
Actually, no. Come to think of it, my aunt did arrange for me a romantic hot air balloon ride this weekend. For some reason.
Huh. Weird. Can I come?
Sure, I don't see why not.
Well, this sounds like a lot more fun than whatever it was we were just talking about. It's settled. Count me in.